Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. It is your favorite presenter, Jeff Nino, and today I will be teaching a question on trigonometry. And the question says in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees, and AB ratio BC equals to 2 ratio 1. And we were supposed to find the value of sine A plus cot C. Okay, let us begin the question by bringing out the triangle. Triangle ABC with angle B to be 90 degrees. So let's draw it. So it means the triangle is a right angle triangle. So here we have 90 degrees, which is B. So we have A and then we have C. Okay, now we were told that AB ratio BC is equal to 2 ratio 1. Now, ratio means division, so it simply means AB over BC is equal to 2 over 1. So it simply means AB is 2, which is AB, and BC is 1, which is BC. So we are left with one side of the right angle triangle, which we are going to call X, because the value was not given. Now, at this point, we are going to solve for X. Now, for us to be able to solve for X, we need to apply Pythagoras' theorem, which says X squared is equal to 2 squared plus 1 squared. Now, the question is, why did I add? It is simple. I added because I was looking for the hypotenuse. But when you are looking for the values of the two other sides, you subtract. So here becomes X squared is equal to 4 plus 1. And how did I get 4? 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 times 2, which is 4. And 1 raised to the power 2 means 1 times 1, which is 1. So I have X squared is equal to 5. So to get X, it means X becomes the square root of 5. Now, the values of the three sides are gotten. Let us go back to what we were told to find. We were told to find sine A. Now, sine A, according to SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Don't forget that. So it means in this question, our opposite, now remember we are using sine A, so we are using this angle here. So this angle A, the opposite here is 1, the side facing it. So I have 1 over our hypotenuse is root 5, which is X. 1 over root 5. That's for sine A. Now let us go for cot C. Now, cot C means the inverse of tan C, because cot is the inverse of tan. But naturally, watch, tan C alone is opposite over adjacent from TOA. Opposite over adjacent. But now we were not given tan, rather we were given cot. And I said cot is the inverse of tan. So the inverse of tan becomes what? Adjacent over opposite when you reciprocate. So it means cot C here becomes adjacent over opposite. Okay, let's go back to the question. We were told to find cot C, meaning we are using this angle here, C. Now, adjacent now of C is what? BC. Because this is the opposite of C. And this is the hypotenuse. So here becomes the adjacent. And adjacent is 1 over, now what's the opposite now? 2. 1 over 2. Therefore, what we are going to do now is this. Therefore, sine A plus cot C becomes sine A is 1 over root 5. 1 over root 5 plus cot C is 1 over 2. Okay, now what we're going to do now is this. We're going to do for the LCM of root 5 and 2, which is 2 root 5. If you don't know how I got it, this is how you get it. 2 and root 5. The number that I'm going here now is 2. Now if 2 going into 2 is 1, 2 can't go into root 5, I have root 5. Now what can go now is root 5. Root 5 into 1, 1. Root 5 into root 5 is 1. So when you use 2 to multiply root 5, we're going to get 2 root 5. So it means our LCM is 2 root 5. So class, we're going to have LCM to be 2 root 5. Now let us solve. When root 5 cancel out root 5, I'm going to have 2. Now the 2 multiply 1 to give me 2. Plus, when 2 cancel 2, I'm going to have root 5 left. When root 5 cancel 1, I'm going to get root 5. Now, according to SOLD, it is not right to leave an answer in root, to leave an answer having a root sign at the denominator. Now, the root sign can be at the numerator, there is no problem. But when the root sign is at the denominator, you have to rationalize. And how do you rationalize? You rationalize by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. And what is our denominator here? 2 root 5. So here becomes multiplied by 2 root 5 all over 2 root 5. So if we should multiply, we are going to get this. Now, if 2 multiply 2 root 5, I'm going to get 4 root 5. Plus, when root 5 multiply 2 root 5, I'm going to get 2 bracket 5. My question is, how did I get bracket 5? It is very simple. When root 5 multiply root 5, you're going to get root 25. But the square root of 25 is 5. That is how I got 5 there. So it is like this. The root of a number times the root of the same number is the number. The root of a number times the root of the same number is the number. So it means root 10 times root 10 is 10. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. So on and so forth. So now, here becomes all over. Now, 2 times 2 gives us 4. And root 5 times root 5 again gives us 5. So without wasting time, here becomes 4 root 5 plus 2 times 5 gives us 10 over 4 times 5 gives us 20. Now, you will see that if you take a look at this answer, class, there is a number that can actually cancel 4, 10, and 20. And what is that number, class? 2. So, class, if 2 should cancel 4 root 5, I will get 2 root 5 plus if 2 should cancel out 10, I will get 5. And if 2 should cancel out 20, I will get 10. So the answer to this question becomes 2 root 5 plus 5 all over 10. So class, this is the solution to the question that we have for today. So we have come to the end of today's class, and I believe you've learned and you understood all what we did. If you really understood, please don't forget to share the video and also subscribe to our channel. Till we meet again in our next class, thank you for watching today's episode. Bye for now.